In this video, I will show you how to use the Gamma AI agent to research and build slides. So let's get started. I'll start by clicking the Create New AI button on the home screen and selecting the Generate option. I make sure the Presentation tab is active and then adjust the card count to 5 cards for this project. There are several helpful example prompts here if I ever need a bit of inspiration. Next, I'll go back to my dashboard and open an existing presentation titled The 3 Pillars of 2026 AI. To expand this deck, I click the Agent button in the top right corner to open the AI Assistant. In the chat box at the bottom, I type a request to add another slide comparing 3 different video AI tools. After I hit send, the agent begins generating the content based on my prompt. It creates a brand new card titled AI Video Tools. A comparative look, featuring a detailed table that compares Runway, Synthesia, and DID. It covers key features like video generation, editing capabilities, and pricing models. This is a great way to add researched, structured data to any presentation in just seconds. And there you have it. That's the complete process of using the Gamma AI agent to research and build slides. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.